Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you with your FSA review packet for day 5 of week 1, and this will be question 2. This one says, Omiri and Daisy live on the same street as their school. The street runs from east to west. Omiri lives 3 1/2 blocks west of the school. Daisy lives 5 3/4 east of the school. How many blocks apart are Omiri's house and Daisy's house? So in this question, it helps to draw out what is going on. So we know we're going to have the school. We're going to make that right here. Okay, and then we're going to have east and west. So we know east will go to the right this way. And we know, so this is east. And we'll say this is west. West. And we know that we can have blocks from the school. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know it kind of looks like a number line. So we'll say that the school is 0. And we know that Omiri lives 3 1/2 blocks to the west. So we can say 1, 2, 3, and 1/2 would be right about here. So we'll say this is Omiri, and then Daisy lives 5 3/4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3/4 right about here, and that is Daisy. So now we got to figure out the distance between Omiri's house and Daisy's house. So we know we have to go from Omiri's house and go to school and then continue to go to Daisy's house. So we need to add this distance to that distance in order to figure out how far apart they are. So we know if Omiri is 3 1/2, we're going to add that to Daisy's of 5 3/4, and then that's going to equal our total distance. So the first step I like to do here is get rid of our fractions by adding them together, and we need to find a common denominator. So we know 2 and 4, our common denominator will be 4. So I go ahead and we'll add these fractions together. So we know that 2, in order to get a denominator of 4, we need to multiply the top and bottom by 2. So the bottom, this will be multiplied by 2, this will be multiplied by 2, the numerator and denominator. We got 2 times 2 is 4, and on the numerator we would have 1 times 2 is 2. We need to add that to 3/4. Okay, so we know that 2 plus 3 is 5, and the denominator stays the same, 5/4. But now we got to turn this into a mixed number. So we know we can divide. Top dog goes in the house, and 4 will come on the outside. 4 will go into 5 one time. I'll move this up just a little bit here. And then 4 times 1 is 4. We're going to subtract 1. So we have 1 1/4. So now we can change this up just a little bit. Now we know we have a 3 plus 5, because we've got rid of those fraction parts of that, and we're going to add that to a 1 1/4. Okay, now we can just add our whole numbers. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 8 plus 1 is 9, so this becomes 9 1/4. So 9 1/4 blocks apart. I hope this video helps. Stay tuned for more.